just like this. We have it set on microfarads. We're going to go like this. You got nothing. Make sure the leads are put in. We're going to go the extra mile. We got a little bit of resistance through my lead, so I know my meter is working on that portion. We're going to go like that. We're going to go like this. We have, there we go, took a little second. 7.61 microfarads. So this is rated for 7.5. 370 VAC, minimum, maximum, plus or minus 10%. So 7.6, 10% of that is 0.7. So 7.5 plus 0.7, what, 8.2 that should be. And we're at 7.6. We are well within tolerances. Therefore, our capacitor checks out good. Put one like that. We're going to go like that. And we're going to try to go like this. That way it can't suck in with the rescue motor. That's the reversing plug. We'll just zip tape it, or zip tie it. Yeah, zip tape. Zip tie it down like this. Let's see. Put our wires back on the capacitor. Put our wires back on the capacitor. And we have taken care of the blower motor housing. That is it. Much cleaner than what it was. Still ain't the best, but can only do so much, right? Still all kind of dirty, yucky, which I'm going to work on cleaning on. Nice thing is, you look, this is where that whole blower motor sits. There is the bottom side of the heat exchanger. That goes all the way up through. If you can get it just right sometimes, you can even inspect the A coil, see if it's dirty or clean. Now, if you get a little skinny service tech at the house, they can do that. My fat butt ain't fitting in there that well. I can kind of try, take a peek, but 2 feet wide at the shoulders or more ain't gonna happen. But at least the YouTube world gets to see. We gotta remember to clean these pins. An inspection camera. There's no flames rolling out, because you have to remember, with biggest thing with a furnace like this, the crack in the heat exchanger, is the flames roll out if it's bad enough. Best way to tell is if you have an increase in oxygen. But if you really want to go the extra mile, all you got to do is have an inspection camera. All we gotta do, I know, find the hole, just like this, for the heat exchanger. You just start feeding it in. And just look around. So perfectly normal. Here's going to be the art. When you look like that, the camera's in there. This will give you a good idea if you have any cracks, any obstructions, stuff like that. That's all it is. Kind of a neat, handy tool. I don't want to go on that one until I pull out the hot surface igniter. But yes, handy dandy inspection camera. Make life pretty easy. Plus you can show a homeowner very easily. That's why I like this. That's what I can do. Ma'am, you have a crack in your heat exchanger. Some homeowners don't want to believe you. Can't blame them. A lot of con artists out there. But you have a way to show them, really simple, and you can put it on a screen. It's right there. Point it out. It's not hidden. My favorite's when you get the people that will say, you got a crack in the heat exchanger. I can show you the crack, but you won't understand what's going on because you have to stand here and mirror and flashlight and do one of these and do one of these or go like this or something like that. And I've always run camera through, perform an oxygen test as needed, and there's never any cracks in there. It's just somebody playing games. We're going to put the blower motor back in. I wish I had a way to show you the little rails that it goes in. Can be complicated, can be difficult sometimes. Luckily we're dealing with a Rheem. They're not too bad. So make sure you don't pitch any wires. Lift it up. Flashlight on. Find the little hook. This is kind of a little rail that it'll slide into. I'll just go ahead and stop right here. Find my primary voltage tab. We'll hook that up like here. Furnace neutral. We'll hook this up right here. See the black wire here? Primary wire connection. Just like all the neutrals down there. Now, keep in mind, we also have the humidifier we got to fix, right? Simply done. That's right, you heard right. Unibit, drill, make it right. What I am looking at doing is, one, we have a circuit board here. I just want to make sure no metal filings get stuck there, so you put a rag up. not done that right. Just like that, just to see where it goes wired in. On your nicer furnaces, they have it where you find a tab that says hum. So that doesn't mean go hum, that means humidifier. One is hot, so we'll make sure we get good little wire connections here. I don't like how that's fraying and splitting. One's hot, one's not. Just like that. That one we had issues, screw it. Make it right. One hot, one neutral. Just like that.